Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into iCloud and making sure contacts and calendar are synced to iCloud. Once done, export contacts as a vCard, VCF, and export calendar events as ICE. You do this because Gmail imports contacts and calendars separately. That separation avoids duplication. Make sure you have your Gmail credentials ready and a stable connection. Now locate the exported VCF and ICE files on your Mac or PC. Keep them accessible for the next import steps. Next, go to Contacts, Google, Com, and choose Import, then pick the VCF file you exported. This brings iCloud contacts into Gmail. Once done, open Google Calendar, go to Settings, right arrow Import and Export, and upload the ICE file to the desired calendar. You do this because Google separates contacts and calendars, so each needs its own import. Make sure to select the correct target account if you manage multiple Google accounts. If large files cause timeouts, split the file into smaller chunks and re-import. Now verify imports on both Gmail web and the mobile app so entries appear correctly. Check phone numbers, emails, and calendar times. If you see duplicates, use Google Contacts Merge Duplicates tool and make sure calendar time zones match your events to avoid shifts. If something goes wrong, re-export fresh VCF/ICE files from iCloud and retry the import. Also try clearing your browser cache or using an incognito window. These steps fix permission or caching issues that can block imports.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.